Azucarera by Dos Mestizos. Let's check it out. Hello! Buenas tardes, señor. Hello, good afternoon, Jonah Mark. So we are here now at Azucarera. So this is Azucarera, meaning Sugar Central. Okay, very nice interior, modern and industrial. Three p.m. to 11 in the evening. So you serve only dinner. They start with serving drinks and tapas at 4:30, and a full meal Spanish cuisine starting 5 o'clock. So you serve local draft beer, Bob's Brew, original Negros Island craft beer. All right. So these are what they serve here, and cakes and pastries by Bob's. This is Jomar.
Yeah, hello. Welcome to Azucarera. This is Spanish food. So I would love to dine with us tonight here in Azucarera, the place where it can be found only Spanish.
Only Spanish food.
Yes, definitely Spanish food.
Definitely Spanish food. We'd like to try that as well.
Spanish food is very excellent when it comes to taste.
All right.
Elegant interior. And what's the address?
Where can
People from all over the world find you.
all right. Here in Bacolod, it comes first. When we go from there, Lazal Avenue, there is CL Montoliban Highway.
Okay, CL Montoliban. So thank you very much, Jomar.
You're welcome. See you around.
See you around. A yummy latte.
We don't know about the yummy, certainly looks good.
I'm excited for you to tell me about it.
Well, normally mine are a bit darker. It's from, as you know, mucho forte.
Chocolate mousse cake and cucumber drink. Very nice. And coffee. How would you rate the coffee?
4 out of 5. We try another round with an extra shot next time.
All right, all right.
Maybe my recommendation would be to offer shakes, milkshakes, or kind of yogurt drinks.
Another one, Samca with Pescado.
Gracias, señor.
Si, senor.
Yummy. Tomato salsa and
And the pesto sauce for the
pesto
drink.
sauce. All right.
I know.
This is John Mark at Azucarera. May
Yes,
you
sir.
come and
No
visit
problem.
Azucarera as well.
like another one?
Excellent fine dining
little bit
and
stronger.
great interior.
Muchas gracias.
Nice food. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. And this is how Azucarera looks at night.